continue to watch this video if you want to see how I made this juicy, delicious pork shoulder steak. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for many more delicious videos like this. Stay tuned. It's your girl Jody cooking. Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some pork shoulder steak. So these are all of my seasoning. I have Cajun seasoning, I have onion powder, I have garlic powder, I have smoked paprika, I have black pepper, I have all-purpose seasoning, and I also have parsley. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start off by adding some olive oil to my pork steak. And guys, the reason why I add it, so the seasoning will stick on my pork steak. So that's the reason why. Then you want to take your hand and just massage the oil right on your pork, okay? Make sure you oil the other part also. You turn it over. And guys, as you can see, my pork steak, they're a bit thick. Yeah, so that's all I want it. I'm gonna also add 1 spoon of the jerk marinade from the bottle to my pork steak because I want it to be spicy, you know. Then you want to take your hands and you're just gonna massage all that jerk marinade right on your pork steak. Guys, to be honest, I didn't have a lot of jerk marinade. Otherwise, I will use like 2 spoonful, but I didn't have a lot. So I just use what I have basically. So now I'm just gonna take my fork and I'm just gonna blend all of my seasoning together. And guys, the seasoning that I'm using, everything is 1 teaspoon, okay? So just make sure you blend all your seasoning properly so everything will all combine, okay? So now I'm just gonna season my pork steak. Sorry about that. As you can see, my charger keep getting into the video because I'm charging my phone. So you just want to sprinkle the seasoning right on your pork chop. And remember to flip it on the other side also. And you're gonna season the other side, okay? And then after you just want to pat it. Take your hand and just pat it. So now I'm just flipping my pork steak and you just want to carry on with the same process. You can always marinate your pork steak for at least 30 minutes, okay? So now I'm adding my pork steak to my frying pan. Make sure you wait for your oil to hot before you add your pork steak, okay? I'm just gonna add just two. And you're just gonna allow your pork steak to brown for at least 4 minutes on each side, okay? So as you can see, I add a Scotch bonnet pepper to my pot because I just want it to be of that flavor of the Scotch bonnet pepper. So that's the reason why I add it. As you can see, it is nice and brown and dark and golden, and that's exactly how you want your pork steak to look. Perfect. And you can also brown on the side of your pork steak also, because you know sometimes those side can look a bit white, you know, but you can always brown it or you can leave it. It's totally optional. So now I'm gonna remove my pork steak because it is finished brown. So now I'm just adding my remaining pork steak that left. So all of my pork steak is all browned. So now guys, I'm gonna take it to the next level, okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add at least 1 spoon of butter to my pot. Then I'm just gonna add the two pork steak that's on the side. I'm gonna also add it to my pot also. And I'm gonna add some barbecue and honey sauce. At least quarter cup, guys, okay? Then you want to add some water to your sauce, okay? Then you're gonna also add at least 1 spoon of sugar. Then you just want to shake it up. Make sure you shake it up and you just put it to your pork steak. And guys, I'm telling you, it looks so good already. Absolutely delicious. This recipe right here is a must try. Taking my spoon and just pouring all that butter, honey, barbecue sauce right on my pork steak. I'm telling you. So good. So now I'm just adding my remaining seasoning that's left, at least a teaspoon. As you can see, I'm just sprinkling it all on my pork steak. And guys, just leave your pork steak to cook for at least 5 minutes. So that's what it look like after 5 minutes, and guys, it looks so yummy. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put it in my oven just to bake for at least 10 minutes, okay? And 150 degrees Celsius, no longer than that. So I just removed my pork steak from the oven, and that's what it look like. As you can see, it is so nice and so sticky and so juicy. And guys, this is exactly how you want your pork steak to look, okay? So make sure guys you give me a big thumbs up and you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. And please guys, please share my videos to your families and to your friends and all over on your social media. I will really appreciate it, okay? So now I'm just plating it up for you guys and show you how it looks on the plate. Until next time, bye, stay blessed, keep smiling and keep laughing, okay? No matter what, yeah.